Hey, what's going on everybody? Michael here. Welcome back to another review. Welcome back to an audio edition, and today we are going to take a look at a brand new pair of open earbuds that were provided by OpenWorld, or OpenRock to be specific. And today we're going to take a look at their flagship line, the OpenRock X. This is their premium top of the line sports earbud. I'm going to tell you guys all the features, all of the things, how I've been using it, and if I recommend it or not. Now, I just want to take this moment to thank OpenRock for being a part of today's episode. They were kind enough to provide the earbuds. However, with that being said, they do not have any affiliation or any say in my review. They are seeing it the same time as you guys are. So just know that, guys, for full transparency. But with that being said, guys, this review is going to be 100% transparent as it's going to get. I'm going to tell you guys all of the things you need to know and what I think of it. So let's start with the actual earbuds themselves. Now, the earbuds themselves are very, very premium from the moment the unboxing begins to the earbuds finish, to the charging case, to everything. The charging case actually reminds me of a mini power bank. It has a USB-C port on the side. When you click it, it opens up the earbuds, which has a nice little satisfying magnetic click every time you open and close. Inside, it has a pairing button. The earbuds themselves do sit on each side of the magnetic connectors. Now, when it comes to the earbuds themselves, this is where we get probably the best design that I have seen for open earbuds in a long time. Not only are these using a mechanical type of design, but it adjusts to your ears. So it has these ear hooks, and it also has your centerpiece, which goes flush outside of your ear. So it doesn't seal it. It gives you that open fit, but it still stays nice and snug with the ear hook connector. However, this is doing it completely different, as it is using a mechanical design where you can adjust it up and down. You can move it side to side. It has a nice degree of field, so that way when you put it inside of your ear, it does have the ability to adjust based on your ear. This is very, very good, and it fits all types of ears, no matter how big or how small. I have tested it with my mother, who has smaller ears than me, my father, whose ears is very similar to mine, and my own ears, and they all have said it does a phenomenal job. So double phenomenal. When it comes to the specs, again, guys, these are rocking Bluetooth 5.3. It has multi-connect, so you can connect two devices at the same time, and it will simultaneously switch whichever one is playing audio or answering a phone call. And then lastly, when it comes to the battery life, these things are rocking 12 hours of battery life with up to 48 hours with the charging case. And if you charge the charging case in 5 minutes, you will get 1 hour of playback time. So it does have fast charging on board. So all in all, when it comes to the earbuds and the specs, these are very, very good. And on top of that, just real quickly to throw out there, it is IPX5 rated. So these things are really coming in, and they're coming in hot. Now let's talk about the sound quality. Now, the sound quality is one of my more signature parts of these videos. Unfortunately, my audio equipment is not working. I was not able to get a sound signature out of these earbuds, but I am gonna just have to explain this to you as best I can without being boring. The sound signature is very, very good, but you will have to tweak it. The out-of-the-box sound is very neutral. It is rather on the basic side. It has your mids. It emphasizes the mid-range. The bass is nice and deep and pronounced, but just like the previous Nearty open earbuds that I reviewed, it doesn't have that sub-bass effect. You can hear it, you can sometimes feel it, but you're not exactly going to hear it like as if in-earbuds have. But I will tell you, these are probably the best sounding when you tweak the EQ. There is boom mode, which just kind of lifts all of it from the low, mids, and highs, focusing a little bit on the bass more, but it doesn't overpower and deteriorate the music. That is thanks to the 14.2 millimeter driver, which does a very, very good job of replicating all three different types of frequencies. And it's also using an algorithm to help dynamically adjust the music, dynamically adjusting what you're listening to. So all of that combined into real time does a very good job. And I gotta tell you, the sound quality on these is very, very comparable if I was using in-earbuds with an in-ear seal. So I gotta give it a lot of positives here with the sound quality. These might just be my favorite sounding for an open earbud, and that says a lot because sometimes open earbuds, they don't really have the best sound, but this is definitely taking the cake in my opinion. Now the last thing to go over is the app support, and the app support is actually very, very good. This is actually one of the better app supports for Open Earbuds. On top of getting your custom controls, which is a physical button on the earbuds, which I actually appreciate and I like, you can change the EQ, you can customize. It has Find My Earbuds, you can update the firmware, you can also adjust several other things. You can add 3D stereo audio, which does give it a slight feel of giving you a 3D dimensional sound, but I find that for me, it doesn't really work the best, but it does give you that option if you're watching a movie, TV show, or even Dolby Atmos music. And then on top of that, there are other features in the settings, which you're seeing on your screen. And I really, really like it because honestly, for the price that you're paying, this is the kind of stuff you want to see in an open earbud, especially if you're paying all this money. And the app support is a lot better than most apps that are out there for headphones. So OpenRock has a really good app, and I'm really excited to see what more they can do, what kind of features they can bring, and just what the firmware update can do. Now, there is one thing to note is that it doesn't contain LDAC or aptX or anything. It uses your standard Bluetooth, AAC, and others, but I would hope maybe if there is a way to get some kind of high-res support, maybe in a future model, or maybe if it's available in a firmware update, because I know another model they make does support aptX, which is something that I haven't even heard in such a long time. But maybe there's a possibility of bringing that over if that is something to be brought, because it would be nice to get some more higher sound. It has the battery capacity, so it won't drain as fast. So we'll have to wait and see, but all in all, when it comes to the app support, it's top notch.
This is a microphone sample of the OpenRock X. This is what they sound like in a normal environment with slight noises in the background, just to highlight the noise isolation. Let me know your thoughts down below. What do you think of the OpenRock X? And let me know any questions if you have anything about the microphone, but let me hear your thoughts. What do you think?
So overall, what do I think of the OpenRock X? Now listen guys, the OpenRock X is as premium of an open earbud as you're gonna get. From the start, from the design, to the quality, to the package, to the sound, to the app, and even the microphone quality. Everything is hitting the right notes, and it's in a reasonable price range at $170. Now, here's the thing. Normally, I would say there are a few negatives, there are some things. The only real negative that I personally have is that it doesn't have aptX or a high-res codec. I would have liked to have seen that. And the other thing, the only other negative that I really have with these earbuds is that I do wish, even though the app gives you a lot, there is still more room to grow. And we have seen earbuds that are slightly a little bit less and have a way ton array of features. I know it doesn't have active noise canceling or transparency. It's an open earbud. That's what you expect. But I'm hoping that they do add more features, add more things for the user, because for $170, you are getting premium, but there is more room to grow. But it does have such a ton amount of positives that I don't even think that for a guy like me who doesn't wear open earbuds, I would love nothing more than to grab these and take them to the gym. And it has a nice little clip which you can add on to the side of your bag, so it does the job really well. I really can't say anything bad about it because it's hitting all the right notes and it's doing everything it's supposed to be doing. Now again, it is on the pricier side, but thankfully Black Friday is around the corner. They're running a nice special, so check out the description because you might save some money. And actually, if you don't want in earbuds, I absolutely recommend these. These are the best that money's gonna buy you, and I think you can do really, really well with these headphones. So definitely check it out, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or concerns, write me down in the comment section. Let me know, what do you think of the OpenRock X? If you have any concerns, again, feel free to message. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you dislike the video, you can hit the dislike button. That helps circulate my videos as well. As always, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in the next episode. Have a good day, and peace!